Look, AI agents are amazing for about 3 weeks. Then the wheels they start coming off. Your agents, they keep solving the same problems over and over. They figure something out on Monday, and by Friday, they are discovering like it's brand new. And if you've got more than one agent running, they are not a team. They're more like five contractors who've never spoken and somehow keep editing the same file. The real reason is that your agents they don't have cognitive infrastructure. The memory tools out there, they're basically conversation loggers. No confidence scoring, no lineage, no idea what actually worked. They're single agent too. So your whole fleet is just talking to itself in separate rooms. So we built SenseLab, cognitive infrastructure. Every piece of knowledge is versioned with confidence and lineage, like Git, but for what your agent know. They share what they learn across the whole team, and against all odds, they actually get better the more you run them. Anyway, let me show you how it works. SenseLab's cognitive infrastructure is broken down into three main modules. The first one is a knowledge engine, which is responsible for scoring and surfacing what matters to the right agents at the right time. A distribution layer that handles cross-agent sharing, and a version timeline, which implements versioning, full lineage, and rollback for agent knowledge and experience. On top of that, we have our agent layer, which enables your agents across Cloud Code, Desktop, Cursor, Codex, and others to connect and leverage that cognitive infrastructure. As an output, we created a distributed and version knowledge graph, which is hosted on top of a persistent and distributed storage. Additionally, training output is also generated, which are basically SFT and DPO datasets that are generated from traces, which can then later be used to adjust model weight and fine-tuning. So now your agents can also work as a team. So let's say on Monday, Alex's agent fixed a tricky auth refresh bug. It automatically writes the solution to SenseLab. Then on Tuesday, let's say Priya's agent hits the same auth issue but on the front end. Because he received the briefing from Alex's agents on what it did before and what worked and what didn't work, it can replicate the same fix in just a few seconds instead of starting from scratch all over again. And on Wednesday, the whole team benefits from it because Marco, Sarah's, and other agents, they can see the confidence of the fix and know what to use moving forward. So now your agents works as a team because they all have access to shared knowledge, version, and they can self-improve as they move forward. To get started is easy. You can sign up at amfs.sense-lab.ai and you can start leveraging the cognitive infrastructure using MCP, SDK, or REST API. It only takes a few seconds and you can start for free.